Hello my fellow Shuggers, today we are going to do an epic burping compilation. But first, this is the thing we, drinked. It's a very nice energy drink and it's actually completely illegal in Sweden. Oh fuck. And now it's time for today's epic wisdom fact. Okay, here it goes. Okay, that was that. And remember, stay thug, stay shug. Bye.